Imagine an atom is a massive multi-story apartment building, and electrons are the residents. How do you know where each one lives? That's the job of electron configuration. It's the precise address for every single electron in an atom, a blueprint that defines an element's entire identity. The address system starts with shells, which are like the building's floors. Each floor has different types of apartments, called subshells, S, P, D, and F. And within those are the individual rooms, or orbitals. To place the electrons, we follow 3 strict rules. First, the Aufbau principle. Electrons always fill the lowest energy rooms first, starting from the ground floor and working their way up. Second, the Pauli exclusion principle. A room, or orbital, can hold a maximum of 2 electrons, and they must have opposite spins. Think of them as roommates who have to face in opposite directions. Finally, there's Hund's rule. When a suite of identical rooms is available on the same floor, electrons will each take an empty room for themselves before they start pairing up. Let's take nitrogen, which has 7 electrons. The first 2 fill the ground floor room, the 1s orbital. We write this as 1s squared. The next 2 take the room on the second floor, 2s squared. We have 3 electrons left. The second floor also has a p suite with 3 rooms. Following Hund's rule, each of the 3 remaining electrons takes its own private room. That's 2p cubed. So nitrogen's complete address is 1s squared, 2s squared, 2p cubed. This isn't just an organizational system. This address book dictates an atom's personality, how it bonds, its stability, and what it reacts with. It's the foundation for designing new medicines, creating advanced materials, and understanding the chemical world around us. So the complex universe inside an atom isn't chaos. It's a perfectly ordered residence, all governed by these elegant rules.